Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Windows 11 File Explorer crashing when opening the Home tab. Let's fix that issue guys. First thing, you just want to right click on the start icon and select run. In this run window, you just need to check my video description for this file path guys. You just need to copy it and paste it in guys. Copy it and paste it in and click on OK. Opens up automatic destinations. You just need to select Ctrl plus A, select anything here and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A. That will be selected all, and you just want to right click on it and select delete guys. After deleting it, click on the three dot icon up top of the file explorer, click on it and select options and uncheck the box show files from office.com. Uncheck it and select clear. Wait for it. This will clear file explorer history. After getting cleared up, click on apply and OK. After doing it, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.